We all know the bottleneck with enterprise AI today. You have to chat with your proprietary data, but you have to send everything to big LLMs via their APIs to get decent results. Your company's intellectual property, private PDFs, all gone in a single second. What if you could deploy a state-of-art multi-model rack pipeline on your own infra 100% for free? Introducing Krag. It is the world's first open source platform of its kind. It is not just any other API wrapper. It is a fully serverless platform on which all the heavy models and the compute is run on modal serverless GPUs with no extra effort on your side, and you only pay for the time you use it, and there is no idle costs. Well, yeah, that's the best part of it, right? And you own the infra, and your embeddings are encrypted at rest, and no data leaves to the external foundational models. So let's first look at its working. Have to do is you have to either put a website URL or a PDF into the front end. The front end will pass it to the TRPC server. The TRPC server will load it to a Redis queue. Then one of our workers will pick up from the Redis queue, and this pipeline will be executed. In the pipeline, first we extract the content into Markdown using Marker PDF parser or EXA API key. How this process is different from other players is like they use a very basic parser, but we are using Marker, which is one of the best in the market, and we are using modal serverless GPUs to cope up with the heavy compute it needs, and it is all serverless. And then we also have a pipeline, we also have a model to summarize the images so that the RAG agent is also aware of the images. We are using Florence 2 for it. Then we implement parent child chunking. Then our embeddings are generated using BGEM3. Then the content is encrypted. If the encryption is turned on, then it is saved to the database. Okay, so let's move on to the retrieval part. What you do is you ask a question to the front end, it sends the question to the TRPC, then this pipeline, a retrieval API, is executed. What happens first is we take your question and optimize it for vector search and keyword search. Then the child chunks are retrieved, and then the parent chunks are retrieved according to the child chunks. We do this because, as you know, cosine search works on average of the whole chunk. So we don't want to pollute or make a chunk too big, right? Then we also added chunk filtering using MXDAI re-ranker so that the parent chunks that are extracted are of good quality and only good chunks will be passed to the final citation extractor. Then our model extracts the citation and prepares a final answer using the citations. And we have implemented sliding window plus summarization memory for the context. And our total context window is of 8,000 tokens, out of which 4,000 are preserved as they are and 4,000 are summarized into the smaller part. And then everything is encrypted if the encryption is turned on and saved to the DB. So as you just saw, Krag is not just any other product. It beats the top players in PDF parsing. It is 100% open source and 100% serverless. It is free. It has 3 tiers of encryption. Well, where else you will find such a product where you are the master of your own data? I engineered Krag because market seriously lacked an open source RAG agent which is good at PDF parsing, understands the images that your documents have, and most importantly, doesn't leak your data to the big players out there. So I am today open sourcing Krag under GPL3 license and I am launching it as a version 1, and I am also currently contributing to it and making it better every day. So please feel free to check it out. It's completely free and available at saurabhjain708/Krag. And if you like it, please do star the repo. And for now, bye and stay tuned for the future launches. Bye bye.